Hey Fetii, welcome to Alpha Phi here at ASU. Let me show you guys around. Go AP, go AP, go! 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 This is our newly renovated living room where lots of girls like to hang out and debrief after breakfast, host movie nights, lounge, and relax. This is our study where we hold our composite and lots of awards, hold lots of meetings, and girls love to get a bunch of work done. This is also part of our newly renovated space where lots of girls like to eat together, and we also host Phi dinners. This is also our newly renovated kitchen where lots of girls like to cook meals together, bake cookies, and also host sisterhoods. This is one of our GLV rooms. We have 39 girls living in the house. This is Sophie and Dory's room, and it's infamous for being the one everyone wants to get ready in. And of course, it's also the room where we keep our house Fetii flag. This is our favorite common area, our second floor living room, where we like to have our bachelor nights, and we even call it the boyfriend calling couch. This is our balcony where lots of girls like to have their morning coffee, Sunday debriefs, and late night talks. Thanks for stopping by, Fetii, and don't forget, go AP! Go AP, go AP!